Ladies, I have received a question. A lady asking, Nancy, my husband don't like me gifting him. What do you think I can give to my white husband to appreciate him? Now, this video is not just for those married to white men or any lady in a relationship with a white man. It could be used for any color of man you're dating. It could be purple, black, brown, chocolate, pink. As long as it's your provider man and you want to give him surprise, you can use these tips. So first of all, my lady, it's a good sign that your partner is not asking or expecting gift from you. It shows that it's a masculine provider man. And this is what I encourage my ladies in this channel to date or marry for benefit. Someone that can take care of you. I was very impressed with this question that this my lady asked, because we can't just continue taking and not giving something back in return. But do not do all this I'm going to mention here as a habit, because men get used to some certain things and it's difficult for you to pull out of it. And when you pull out of it, these habits, he would think that you are falling out of love for him. And you know, men does not like too much pampering. Men love women they are in a relationship with to have a little bit of toxicity to spice it up. Whether you agree or not, this is the simple truth. Number one, morning walk. Ladies, if you have a partner that one of his favorite habits is to go on a morning walk or a jog to keep fit, and you are not doing it with him, on your anniversary or on his birthday morning, or you want to give him a surprise treat as an appreciation of his kindness towards you, you could start the day with a morning walk hand in hand. It's a simple but yet meaningful way to reconnect and enjoy quality time together, my ladies. Number two, haircut. Ladies, schedule a surprise haircut appointment for him. He will appreciate the thoughtful gesture and leave the salon looking sharp and also looking good for you. Especially for those of us ladies that we have partners that don't remember to cut their hair. I'm in that shoe. Ladies, I'm proud to tell you that I do haircut for my partner myself, and he appreciates it a lot. Some of you that followed me from my family channel, you can tell that yes, the first day I tried it, I made a mess of his hair, but now I'm very good at it. Number three, foot massage. Ladies, treating your millionaire partner with a foot massage or pedicure. Ladies, this pampering gesture is a subtle reminder of your love and care for him. And also, you can do this yourself as well. I also do this myself, massage his feet, and he appreciates it a lot. White men love massage, foot massage or massage the back. My lady, your husband will definitely appreciate this one, because if you treat your white partner with massage on the head, on the feet, he will enjoy it so much and he will feel relaxed and appreciate that thoughtful gesture. Now, it's not only about white men. Black men also love massage. Depend on the color of man you are married to. He will appreciate it because this will make him feel relief of stress and also a return for him to think, okay, she's giving me something. Giving a man's gift is about your gesture, your appreciation towards him, not money. And like you mentioned, your husband is a wealthy white man. He does not need your money for anything. He needs your appreciation, your gestures. And some of these men, if you buy them clothes, they will not wear it. A lot of wealthy men I've seen, you can see them repeating one cloth over and over again. So I do not suggest going to do shopping for your man to appreciate his kind gesture towards you. I don't even encourage ladies to buy gifts for men or give them money. That's not how to show appreciation, and that is not how to show that you love your partner, because if he wants gift, he will get it. But if you do all this, my ladies, he will appreciate it more. Try it and thank me later. Number 4, massage. Ladies, another way to surprise and treat your partner is book a couples massage for a deep, relaxing experience. It's a perfect way to unwind together. Booking a massage together helps to strengthen the bond, helps the both of you to feel relaxed. Listen to calm music while you are getting massaged. It makes him feel special and loved. That is one of the most precious gifts. A man will feel loved by his partner. But while you are booking it, ensure it's a provider man, not a broke man. You are using your own money to take care of, my ladies. Number 5, special candlelight dinner at home. Ladies, another way to appreciate your partner is not all about going out for a dinner, booking dinner date outside. You could do it specially for him at home. Ladies, set the mood with a candlelight dinner. Cook his favorite meal and enjoy the intimate evening under a soft glow of candlelight. If you have kids, prepare them early to go to bed so you could have and enjoy the quiet moments together without the kids. Sometimes give them these treats and he will appreciate and feel loved and reconnect to you just like you both were dating. And you're welcome. Number 6, seductive lingerie surprise. My ladies, another special way to surprise your partner is getting yourself new set of lingeries. And now for an extra touch, surprising with a seductive red lingerie to end the night on a passion note, my ladies, because red arouse passion. Red is a special color that cannot be resisted by your partner. Do this and thank me later. Number 7, weekend getaway. You could plan a weekend getaway with you and your partner for an extra special touch surprise. With your seductive red lingeries in your bag, enjoy your luxurious and privacy to create beautiful memories together, my ladies. Number 8, personalized gifts. Another way to appreciate your partner is by personalizing gifts for them. Gifts like 2 of you in a portrait or something you know he loves. Maybe, for example, he loves nature. You could personalize hearts like that. This shows thought and effort, my ladies. Although I've not tried this, even if it made it to the list, but you could try this, my ladies, because we as humans, we have different things that we do and works for you. My partner, I know for him, he likes simplicity. When I put decorations in the house sometimes, it's just like, oh my God, you like to trouble yourself too much. He is not that type of person. So I already know that personalizing art piece for him, he would not like. So I see that he likes more, I do it, and then I see his reaction. So ladies, in this list, you can choose what works for you. You have been with this partner for a while, so you know what he likes, and you try to do things in that aspect. Because another reason, if you buy heart, for example, and he does not appreciate it, it will be money wasted and effort wasted. Number 9, helicopter ride. Ladies, helicopter ride is a great idea to surprise your partner if he wants it. I say this because some ladies, they will go and spend all their money to want to surprise a man that does not want it. So ladies, arrange a surprise helicopter ride offering breathtaking view of your city and a unique bonding experience. If you are in Dubai, for example, where we have a lot of beautiful, breathtaking views that he will enjoy and you feel the excitement. Or for example, you are in Europe, Italy for example, it has a lot of breathtaking views you would want to experience, and it could also be your first time, so you enjoy the moment together. He will appreciate that effort you put in to bring this surprise for him, because most cases our partners, they are busy, they don't even have time to treat themselves. for you to create the bond and also to keep the relationship spicy. Don't just take and do not give anything back in return. Surprise them and do not give money. So ladies, here you have it. These unforgettable ways to surprise and treat your millionaire white husband on your anniversary or birthday or just kind gesture. Whether you choose a quiet morning walk or an extravagant helicopter ride, the key is to express your love and appreciation. So ladies, please do not forget to give a thumbs up, like and share this video to those you think would benefit from this. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite, and also share your own thoughts, ideas, and I will see you on my next one. Good luck, ladies.